Hello guys, welcome to this channel, and in this video we are going to see what is use relationship function in DAX, and we will also see how to use this function in the report. So to understand this DAX function, we have an electronic sales store data set. So let us consider we have a business scenario where we want to show the total numbers of orders which was delivered with respect to the ship date. So let us see how this function which helps to activate relationship between tables. So let's see inside Power BI now. So we are inside Power BI now. So let us understand at what scenario we are going to use this use relationship function in our measure. So I'm going to my table view. So this is our electronic store data set which we are going to use, and this is our store sales table. So if you see this table, we have an entire sales details which happened for our electronic store, and we have this order date column which represents the date which the product has been ordered, and we have this ship date column which shows the date on which the product has been shipped to the customers. So these are the two columns which is most important to understand this function. So if we go to our model view, so this is our entire data model where each tables are connected with our main fact table here. So this is our sales fact table, and if you see the connection, we have two connection here, one active connection and one inactive connection. So only on this scenario, this use relationship function, which is used to activate this inactive relationship. So right now it is connected with our order date ID, and we also have a ship date in our sales table. So those ship date connection, it is under inactive relationship. So let us see how this function which helps to activate this inactive relationship. So let me go to my report view now. So since I want to show the number of orders with respect to my order date and ship date, I'm going to use my date hierarchy in my canvas. So I will remove my day and quarter here. So after this, against my each year and month, I want to show my total number of orders received for each month. So let me make it as a distinct count. So now in this table, you can see the total number of orders which has been placed for each month and year. I'll also bring my year in a slicer. So let me select a particular year now. So if you see for 2025, we can see the total number of orders which has been received for each month. If you see my active relationship here, my sales and date table are connected with respect to my order date column. So since if I want to do any calculation with respect to my ship date column, I need to make this inactive relationship to be active in the report. So for that, we are going to use our use relationship function to make inactive relationship to active. So let me create a new measure, and I'll give a title like active relationship. So I will use my calculate function here. So in the expression, I want to count my total number of orders. So in the filter section, I will use my use relationship function here. So if you see the syntax, it is pretty much very simple syntax. It requires the two column which need to be connected between these two tables. So in my case, I'm going to use my ship date ID column from my fact table, and I'm going to connect with my date table. So this date ID is my connecting column to connect those two tables. So now I'll close this measure and let us use this measure in this table. So now we can clearly see that for the year of 2025, we have shown the total number of orders which has been shipped for each month. So we have used our use relationship function to make this inactive relationship to be active, and we have calculated the total number of orders which are shipped for each month. So this is how we can utilize this use relationship function to turn on any inactive relationship in our data model. And I can also select any other year in my slicer so that you can see the number of orders which has been placed and the number of orders which has been shipped for each month. I hope you understood how these use relationship function which are used inside Power BI. So thanks for watching this video.